Oh, those marks are from when I moved it over here just now. All right, we're back on this here Samsung. It's blue, red, white.
Red, white.
Some welding went on right in there.
Yeah.
This is just nothing, and I think it's supposed to go over to there. I don't know where it went, but
What happened here?
I don't even know that. It's just all grounded and
Right here, too.
bad. Gotta bend these tabs back flat. Pull out our carnage dome. You want to make sure that doesn't have to be good.
Yeah.